Beauty. Wow. How is my baby boy? What are you doing? Are you making poo-poo? Now? What are you doing then? Huh? What? You sleep now. It's late. Nate, you should sleep now. Stop watching TV. You go to sleep. Yeah. Are you a good boy? Or you're a naughty boy? Huh? Nate, answer mommy. Is baby Nate a naughty boy? Say no. Is baby Nate a good boy? Why are you eating that? Why? What's the matter? Mommy will not get you. You just stay there because you were going to sleep. Stop playing.